Michelin approached us with an issue that they had on site in the fact that they have a lot of rearward movement. A great deal of the movement that they have is coming out of containers. They have the tyres on the front with large Bolzoni clamps, and obviously rearward travel and the safety of that rearward travel was becoming a bit of an issue for them. The immediate system I thought about was Linde's Reverse Assist system, which I felt could really aid them in their processes through the day. The Reverse Assist Radar is a system that's fitted to the rear of the truck and notices obstacles when the truck is in rearward movement. It will also slow the truck down and eventually bring the truck to a complete halt safely.
I love the truck. It differs from other systems. It catches everything, that being people, obstacles and other trucks.
It's a great system, it's a good additional feature. It gives you that peace of mind, that reassurance. We still have to be very careful what we're doing. The system, it's a great addition.
The implementation of the trucks was very easy. We just had to make some minor adjustments to the distance of the system and the actual band of the system, and they immediately went to work. The system as fitted takes in a number of parameters, including speed, distance, steering angle and load, to make sure that the machine will always come to a safe stop. Linde and Michelin have been working together now for over 40 years on this site here in Stoke-on-Trent. And during that time, we've had a great collaboration working towards Michelin's safety goals. And the Linde Reverse Assist Radar is another major milestone in moving those goals closer to us. The system's also perfect for existing fleets, and I'll be approaching Michelin later this year with a retrofit programme on their existing fleet.